Welcome to our exploration of chain of thought, AI's step-by-step reasoning. We'll uncover how AI models deconstruct complex problems into logical steps, mirroring human thought processes for clearer, more transparent solutions. Chain of thought involves AI breaking problems into manageable parts, leading to clear solutions. This step-by-step process mirrors human reasoning, emphasizing thoughtful consideration over instant answers. It showcases AI's ability to logically work through problems, providing transparency in its decision-making. To solve complex problems, break them into manageable parts. Reason through each step with clear logic, showing calculations to demonstrate operations. Finally, integrate all steps to reach a comprehensive solution. Chain of thought offers improved reasoning by promoting step-by-step thinking, leading to more accurate results and avoiding common pitfalls. It enhances transparency, allowing users to understand why specific answers are given, building trust in AI systems. Additionally, it makes complex problems manageable through structured approaches, turning complexity into clarity. Let's explore a real-world example. Sam starts with 12 apples. He gives 3 apples to each of his 3 friends, totaling 9 apples given away. This leaves Sam with 3 apples. This step-by-step approach clarifies the process and ensures the answer is verifiable. Chain of thought offers complete reasoning, gradually building understanding and validating each step, allowing for self-correction. In contrast, direct answers provide only the final result, often hiding reasoning and potentially containing unexplained errors. Transparency in reasoning fosters trust, as users prefer seeing the process behind answers. AI applications span various domains. In mathematics, AI solves equations step by step, aiding in algebra and statistical analysis. In medicine, it enhances diagnostic reasoning through symptom analysis and treatment planning. In the legal field, AI assists in case analysis, evaluating precedents and constructing arguments. In business, it supports decision-making, risk assessment, and strategic planning. AI tutors will enhance learning by displaying complete reasoning paths, allowing students to follow and understand AI's thought process. Explainable AI will ensure transparency, helping users comprehend decision-making. Human-AI collaboration will leverage unique reasoning approaches, fostering effective problem-solving partnerships. Understanding AI's reasoning is key to building these partnerships. To see the AI's chain of thought, include directives like think step by step, or explain your reasoning as you go in your prompt. For example, with the prompt about sheep, the AI will logically deduce that 9 sheep remain by breaking down the problem step by step. When submitting your prompt, include your chain of thought by narrating your thinking. For example, if you're concerned about tone, explain your reasoning. This provides context, helping the AI offer more tailored advice. For more advanced prompting, consider using few-shot prompting to model the chain of thought. For example, to find 15% of 200, convert 15% to a decimal, 0.15, and multiply by 200 to get 30. This method helps the artificial intelligence follow a logical pattern. We've covered tokens, large language models, artificial intelligence definitions, hallucinations, and various prompting techniques. We've also discussed simulations and chain of thought. In building our books, we've addressed topic selection, creating a catchy title, outlining, and drafting. Remaining topics include custom generative pre-trained transformers, images, and videos. Please email all homework assignments to cdaleyblazing.org. Include your name and assignment title in the subject line. You will receive a confirmation email within 24 hours. Thank you for participating in today's session. I hope you found the content valuable for your AI journey. Feel free to reach out via email, phone, or schedule a meeting for further discussions. I'm available during office hours to assist with any questions or resources you may need.